This is our shower head. It's getting calcified. So I found some CLR in the basement and see what will happen. I'll put it on a little bit and get a toothbrush and see what could fix this. Okay, I got a little tray or container, plastic container, put some CLR in it, and then I'll just put this in there for maybe an hour. Just dip it in like that, and we'll see what happens. It's bubbling. Okay, I'm going to take it out and see how it is. It's been about an hour or so. Shake it a little bit. Oh, it looks much better now. A little bit rust here or some kind of thing, but let me see if I could do it with a brush. I'll brush it and see what happens with the toothbrush, old one. Okay, I put it back for another 10 minutes. The calcium buildup on the sides, it's almost gone, but I think you gotta put it, it's not like in TV, just falls apart. You gotta put in at least 2 hours. And yeah, it's almost gone. Yeah, the calcium buildup's almost gone here. And let me see. Maybe you should wear gloves. But there it is. It's much better, but you still get a little bit of rust on the outside. So there we go. CLR.